Thought the plane was coming United. Oh, there it is. $100. Okay, we're gonna do it now. 50, 40, 30, 20, 20, 10, 5. It's loading a little bit, but 0 now and touch the ground. So yep, applying the brakes. Alright, while that's happening, let's see, what is that way over there? Is that KLM, I think? I think that's KLM. So there was the same plane, Lufthansa. Is it moving? Oh, I thought it was. The Spirit. What else? Oh, what is it, United, I think? Oh, I think that's, next plane coming to land will be Frontier.